Hey, I'm Bargain Bluebird. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome for the first time. I'm glad you're here. As you can see, we are getting quite the snowstorm. It's a little early for this, but I'm all cozy in the house and I've got my Christmas jazz music going that's on YouTube, and it's really just putting me in the mood to decorate for the holidays. So I decided to take some items I have from the Target Dollar Spot and do a quick little DIY for you today. I'm starting with the glass storage jar that I already had on hand, and I'm taking some kosher salt and I'm just pouring it into the bottom. I'm going to use this as snow, and I'm just stepping back a little bit and eyeballing it and seeing just how much I need, and then I'm going to level it some and see how much I have once it's leveled, and then add just a little bit more in as I need it. The thing about the kosher salt is that I think it looks a lot like regular snow, and even though the Dollar Tree had the little fake snow packages, I just didn't really like them, and I also felt that the packages were very small, and for $1 a piece I just thought it was a little much. I don't know, maybe you could let me know in the comments what you think and what you like to use if you do DIYs like this. I was pretty happy with using the kosher salt. After I added in all the salt that I wanted and leveled it, I added my adorable little house from the Target Dollar Spot. It looks like a little gingerbread house. I know it's wood, but it has the little like gingerbread icing on it. It's just so adorable. And I put that right in the center. These bottle brush trees came from Factory Direct. I ordered them last year on clearance. The Target Dollar Spot ones that I had, they just didn't fit in my jar, and I didn't want to cut them down because I might use them for something else. So I went ahead and used these ones that I already had on hand. Next, I found these wonderful lights in the Target Dollar Spot. I was so excited to find them. They were the last box that they had there. They have the bulbs around them, as you can see, and they have a rose gold wire, which means that I can maneuver it and manipulate it the way that I want to get the lighting effect that I'm looking for. So that's what you're going to see me doing here. First, I'm just adding them all into the jar to get them all in there. I think these lights were $3. I don't think they were $1, but I do know they were not $5, and I thought that that was really awesome because to me I thought they might be $5, but I believe they were in the $3 price range. If you are tuning into my channel for the first time, I want to welcome you. I'm really happy to have you here. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos. You can also hit that little bell, which is the notification button, which will let you know when I post another video. I don't have a particular day that I post videos. I try to aim for like a Wednesday or a Friday, but it doesn't always work out that way. Sometimes it's a Monday night, but the notification button will let you know when I actually post a new video. So if you're interested in that, you can go ahead and hit that button. I found that working with the lights was probably the most challenging part of this DIY. I really wanted to get some of the light in the front, so that's what I'm working on right now. And then as I move the lights, it kind of dislodges the bottle brush trees a little bit. So I'm working with putting the lights where I want them and straightening the trees and keeping them just where I want them also. So I am liking it with this light in the front like that, and I'm trying to tuck it down in there, as you can see. And then I want to move another one from that other side, from what would be your right side, I want to move some of the lights over more to the left because I feel like there are more lights on the right than on the left. So I'm working on getting that straightened out right here. And yep, I just decide, okay, I'm just going to take the bottle brush tree out. I'm going to push the wire down because I want to see the tree in the light, but I don't really want to see the wire in the front. So I'm just repositioning that right now. And then I'm going to take another one and just bring it over to the left there to fill in what I feel is kind of an empty space there. And again, like I said, I'm just kind of eyeballing it, and because I don't want to block the camera, I maneuver a little bit and then I step back and take a look at it and see how it looks. And if I don't like it, what you're going to see is you're going to see me going back and working on it a little bit more so that I can get it the way that I want it. I thought I wanted it the wire kind of wrapped around that chimney, but I just found that that wasn't really working quite well for me. And the same thing here, I'm going to just take the bottle brush tree out. I'm going to position that light where I want it, and that is exactly where I want it right there. Just giving a little bit of brightness to the front of that house. And then I'm going to tuck the wire down again. Bring the light around. It's a lot of maneuvering. When you move one thing, everything moves. And then just get it set, just like that. I'm still quite not happy with it, but I am getting to the point where I realize I am being too perfectionistic about it. And I need to just kind of step back, and I need to kind of just, one or two more little adjustments, but I'm realizing that I'm probably focusing on it maybe a little too much at this point, and that for the most part, I think that it looks pretty good. These battery operated fairy lights are just a wonderful thing to have in the wintertime when it's cold and it's dark and the sun doesn't come out very much, and that's how it feels today. And that's why I thought it was just a great day to do this DIY, because it makes me happy and it kind of lifts me up a little bit, and I love to look at the twinkling lights. I think they're really beautiful. And so now I'm going to get my lid and I'm going to put it on the jar, and then I'm going to decorate. And as you can see, I've decorated here. That green tree in the middle is a Target Dollar Spot tree that I used in this display here. I've got a little greenery, I've got a faux candle there, and I've got my kind of glam tree in the back. And I'm pretty happy with the way this DIY turned out. It's making me smile on this snowy, cold day, and it just makes me feel all warm inside. And I hope you've enjoyed doing this DIY with me. I appreciate your watching. You can give me a like or subscribe to my channel if you would like to. I will be making another video soon, and I will see you then.